अस्सलाम वालेकुम, my name is Jankiri Ayawala. I am 13 years old. तो आज मेरी TEDx स्टार व्यू टू है। Ikra TEDx star will focus on climate change. She explained how even though the danger of climate change are real and serious, many people still ignore them. Throughout her poetry, she highlights and of the issues and people to take action. It makes people think deeply about climate change and our role in it. Ikra poetry in emotional and impactful, helping people understand the series and different way. She used poetry and to talk about real world problem. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.